how to find dot files in File Manager in Hostinger. So let's get started. Once you log into your Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. Next, we will need to click the Websites tab. And on the right side of the screen, we will see all the domains set up by us in Hostinger. Let's find the dot files in this website domain. We need to click this dashboard button. And next, we need to click and enter File Manager section. Again, in this screen, we need to enter the public HTML directory. The dot files are not visible because all dot files are hidden file. To unhide the dot files and view them, we need to click this Profile Settings. Next, in the pop-up window, we need to uncheck the Hide Dot Files checkbox and update the changes made. We can go back now to the website's public HTML directory to view the hidden dot files. This is how you can view the dot files in File Manager and Hostinger. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Comment and share this video if it was helpful.